What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In the last time we have talked about function introduction, and today we are going to talk about function argument. At first, let's take a look at the details in function arguments today. We are going to talk about arguments, default arguments, position and keyword arguments priority, arbitrary arguments. Alright, let's demonstrate it. At first, we define a function div travel, name, and country. And we print a sentence. Hey, name. Let's go to country. And out of the function, we call the function with two arguments, travel, Lativa, and Fiji. Alright, let's execute it and to see what will happen. It shows, hey Lativa, let's go to Fiji. So this function structure has two parameters, and we call the function with two arguments, and we send the two arguments value to parameters. It will print the sentence with two values. Alright, let's go ahead and talk about default arguments. We copy this function sample to there, and we give the country parameters a default value to value. And we call the travel function with one argument as Ryan, and execute it. As you can see, it shows, hey Ryan, let's go to Tuvalu, because the second parameters has the default value as Tuvalu. The function will still output the default value. And we call the function again, Lativa, and we set a second argument as New Zealand, and execute it. Yeah, as you can see, if we set a value with the second argument, the value will replace the default value. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look position and keyword arguments. Following the upper example, and out of the function, we call the function travel with two arguments by keyword name equals Lativa, and the second keyword country equals Fiji, and execute it. It works. Or we change the priority and execute it again. It also works. And we change priority back and delete the first keyword name and execute it. It also works. And we give the first keyword back and delete the second keyword country and execute it. yeah, you will get a syntax error, because if we want to put the position argument, it has to be before the keyword argument. And then let's go ahead and take a look arbitrary argument. We set a div travel with an asterisk parameter, countries, and we set a for loop country in countries, and print I wanna go to country. And we call the travel function with arguments as Fiji, Tuvalu, New Zealand, and Tonga, and execute it to see what will happen. Yeah, as you can see, it shows I wanna go to Fiji, to Tonga, because the arbitrary argument structure is that we put the various arguments to a tuple, and we use an asterisk parameters, and then we can use for loop function to call out the values in the tuple. It is very simple, right? Today we have talked about the functions arguments, default arguments, position and keyword arguments, and arbitrary arguments. If you like this video, please keep thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe. See you next time.